The ad hoc committee in parliament finally, they woke up and decided ukuthi they want the president of syndicates, ngitsho yona i-POS, alive, Paul O'Sullivan. Kubathethe isikhathi for iparliament yase-South Africa to wake up and to see ukuthi uPaul O'Sullivan dala ayi-undermine and futhi ayitelela iParliament of South Africa. This is the chairperson of the ad hoc committee, ubaba uSoviet Likhanyana. He was talking lapha eParliament ukuthi it's high time manje ukuthi uPaul O'Sullivan appear in the ad hoc committee, not visually, not online, not via Zoom, not via Teams, ngenyama himself nje avele in front of the ad hoc committee and account, especially nalamagama nokuthusela nokugwajisa the parliament in front of the committee azoziphendulela. Also guys, in the meeting that was held on Monday, yes, Lokokolo guys is giving red flags. So she's saying ukuthi why iparliament ifuna uPaul O'Sullivan, because Paul O'Sullivan unama allegations or unensolelo or like this statement yokuthi kunabantu abafuna ukumbulala, and then uBreitenbach uthi what if uPaul uyeza and then the next thing la vele bayamu analyze, so who's going to take the accountability? There is no Paul O'Sullivan abazomu analyze. He must be dragged from London as will appear in the ad hoc committee account all the skemekemes ezenzekile, like the way adelela ngakhona iparliament and futhi na the way athuke ngakhona ama-members of the ad hoc committee. But guys, take note ne, uPaul O'Sullivan angathomi enze that thing leya eyenziwa ngumuntu loya. Niyakhumbula eFrance, eParis, ku-floor number something enze ngathi ushonile kanti akakashoni, or abetheleza zaka Gavin Watson. uPaul O'Sullivan angas-Gavin Watson. We want him alive. He must never think about ukus-Gavin Watson in South Africa. Simfuna aphila in the ad hoc committee. Let me show you ukuthi what did Breitenbach said, and as well as the statements sakababa uSoviet Likhanyana lapha in the ad hoc committee. Let me know in the comment section ukuthi what do you think about these revelations. Do you think ukuthi Paul O'Sullivan will appear in the ad hoc committee? But asas mina, I think there's a possibility ukuthi Paul O'Sullivan angashayaleza zaka Gavin Watson or zaloya ku floor number 51.